Hey Jamie, did you see the new superhero movie that came out last week?
Yeah, I saw it. The action scenes were awesome, and the hero's powers were so cool.
I know, right? I wish I could fly like that superhero. Imagine all the places we could go.
Oh, definitely. And I'd use my super strength to help people and build the coolest tree houses ever.
Ha ha, that would be amazing. And you know what? I'd use my powers to clean my room in, like, 2 seconds flat.
That's clever. But then my mom might expect me to do that all the time.
True, hadn't thought of that. So, what's your favorite ice cream flavor, Jamie?
Oh, I love chocolate chip cookie dough. What about you, Alex?
Mint chocolate chip all the way. But hey, speaking of food, have you ever tried making your own sandwich?
Yeah, I have. I make peanut butter and banana sandwiches sometimes. What do you put in yours?
I like turkey and cheese with lettuce, tomatoes, and a bit of mustard. My dad showed me how to make it.
Yum, that sounds delicious. We should totally have a sandwich making contest one day. Really? What can your dog do now?
Ha ha, that sounds like a fun challenge. Oh, guess what? My dog learned a new trick yesterday.
That's awesome. Maybe I can teach my cat to do something. Though, I have a feeling she'll just nap all day instead.
He can high five. It took a while to teach him, but it's so cute when he does it.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, do you remember the field trip we went on last year to the Science Museum?
Cats do love their naps. But who knows, maybe she'll surprise you with a hidden talent.
Me too. Maybe we can ask our teacher if we can have another field trip like that.
Of course. The dinosaur exhibit was the best part. I wish we could go again.
Yeah, I don't want to get soaked. Let's go play some video games or build a Lego fortress.
Good idea. I'll bring it up tomorrow. Oh, look, it's starting to rain. We better head inside. Sounds like a plan. Let's go.